Hi, I am Dr. Meenakshi B, Musculoskeletal Physical Therapist currently practicing at OAKS Clinic, Mumbai. I've been associated with Dr. Amyn Rajani sir and his team since 2018, working with knees, hip and shoulder, and there's been no looking back since then. The best part of working with him is he makes it a point that the therapist understands the rehab protocol and the protocols are fine-tuned according to the patient's functional need and his intraoperative finding. His constant supervision and timely inputs have helped us maximize patient outcome and accelerate the rehab in true sense. Not just the volume, the variety of the cases that I've come across in all these years with knee, hip and shoulder had helped me push the envelope of my practice. I am grateful and cannot thank him enough for his mentorship over these years. I look forward to learn and further grow with him as a professional in the coming years. Thank you so much, sir. I've learned a lot in the areas of knee, hip and shoulder with respect to specialized surgery and post-surgical rehab like reverse shoulder replacement, total shoulder replacement, partial knee replacement, cartilage implantation, microfracture surgeries, hip cord decompression procedures which were merely names read in the textbook once.